Juris Vodcast with Scott Pearce.
Does affirmative action in law school help or hurt the people who are supposed to benefit from it? Would affirmative action students at elite schools have learned more and been more likely to pass the bar exam if they had gone to less elite schools? What about class-based affirmative action? Is it feasible? Would class-based affirmative action help or hurt racial diversity in law school? Richard Sander, a UCLA law professor, has been doing compelling academic work on these issues for years. To do his latest study, he needs to have access to the racial data and specific scores, not just the pass-fail data, of people who have taken the California bar exam. He doesn't need any individual data, but he does need to be able to compare the bar candidates' academic records and their bar exam scores. Professor Sander has been forced to go to the California Supreme Court to seek access to this data. The California bar argues that turning the data over to him would violate the privacy of bar candidates. The problem is, twice before the state bar has cooperated with outside studies and released individual data that goes beyond what Professor Sander is seeking. The California bar really is afraid that the professor is going to invade the privacy of their secretive ways. They don't want anybody looking at the consequences of their practices on real people in the real world. As recently as 2003, the U.S. Supreme Court has acknowledged that states have a compelling interest in racial diversity in law schools. All of these issues are as complicated as they are emotional. The more information we have upon which to base our policies, the better. The California Supreme Court should order the state bar to cooperate with Professor Sander.
Juris Vodcast is a production of Nuclear Podcast. Creative Commons Attribution Non-Commercial No Derivatives.